In this video we are going to find someone here at Pocket Option to copy. If you find that interesting, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them below the video. Also below the video, if you do not have account or have account with Pocket Option from before, with my link you get 50% extra on your first time deposit. I say also for the ones that have account, because you can actually just withdraw your money, close down your account, and reopen with a new email. All this takes you very short time, and if take a little while because they take maybe sometimes take a little time to get your money out. For me it's typically right away, but can be different from people to people, right? But it's worth it, because think if you have $1,000 in your account, you get basically 1,500 by using my link after, so it's worth it. So it's a win-win. Plus you will be an affiliate of mine, so I make a small kickback every time you take a trade. So I think I'm helping myself, also helping you, helping me. It's win-win. Now also, as you're going now to do some social trading, before we get to that, you can even copy me. Use the second link that you find below the video and you can copy me also. Sounds good? Well, let's get to it. Let's find someone to copy. I'll not go too crazy, but let's find someone, and there will be then an update video um, when we get a couple of trades or something. So let's do that. So let's see here now. Let me just see that everything is in order. Yes, it is. Okay, let's go to social trading. Top ranked traders for 24 hours. And I don't trust this so much, so let's go a little down. I have a feeling most of the ones at top here are tricking me. Let's see here now. Let's take okay, let's do that. I want to take someone with a picture. If you don't have a picture, you're not worth my time. So let's take this one. Number of trades 48, 88% win rate. You have not taken that many trades, so a little. I feel it's a little. Don't have so much experience, but can be. Do you know what? Let's see here now. Let's see. Okay. Okay. We are going to copy this person here. But let's take yesterday. Okay, he did good all time. He's making profit, so I like that. And how much? Max trade is 160. Okay, so it's not so bad. That is quite low actually, for me at least, for my account. So let's push copy here now. Okay, copy in portions. I think our mean copy amount, let it be $10. Max copy trade amount, I would say 200. Stop balance, we don't deal with that. Do you know what? Let's take. He was 150. Let's take 20% of what he's trading. Yeah, I think I like it like this. Let's now push confirm. He is offline right now, but we are copying this person. Let's find one more, just for fun of it, so that I actually have something to make a video about. This one I'll trade a little more, and we have somehow guru. Okay, let's see. How many trades? He had taken 53 trades, 49%. He's losing today. Let's check yesterday. Yesterday he did amazing. Let's push all time. All time profit 7,000 in minus. No, I don't think we copy that. We stay away from that. Let's check this one here. Today he's losing, but it's okay. It's just a small amount. he won yesterday. Let's check all time. Okay, yesterday. Okay, so all time and yesterday is not so much different. He's not so good, but hey, let's give him a chance. What's the max? 600 is a little much, I feel. Let's take 10% of his trading, max 200. Mean copy, let's say $10. I think we here have a good, let's confirm that. And we are copying this person also. Cool. Then we are copying 2 people. Let's start with that. You can also see now over here that says 2. I will make an update video with this so we can see how this is going. Once again, if you want to copy me, second link below the video and you can get started today. So that. Have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next. And there will be a part 2 where we check how this goes. If we somehow make money, we will be working on this, find some good people to copy, maybe not from that ranking. Let's just follow and see, and maybe find a few good people. And you see who I'm copying also, so if you say I'm successful with them, you can copy the same people like me. So if you like this type of videos, once again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and put some comments if you're doing the same like me. But let me give a chance here now, and let's see if we can find someone. There should be someone in the platform here that can trade in profit, so you can just copy and be laying in the beach. How nice would that be? So that, have an amazing day.